Alright everyone, this video we're going to be talking about the best accounting practices you could have for a carnival season in Trinidad and Tobago, right?
It's Dyson Knight from the Bahamas asking you to go and check out the Jelan Cumberbatch podcast.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Wendy, Ms. What You Know About It from the Bahamas, inviting you to check out The Information is
Yo,
Power
so I see you
series.
boss the money right now. You're listening to The Information is Power Series 2 by Jelan Cumberbatch. Mad!
Now, of course, because you're probably dealing with a lot of shows, a lot of events, you know, things could slip through the cracks, and you want to make sure that you're as organized as possible when it comes to accounting. So first thing that I would advise is to have an invoice for every transaction. So that just keep things in proper order. And of course, we could use one of the apps, which I said in the last video, the technological video, which, you know, whatever app you want to use, QuickBooks or whatever. Or if you want to use an accountant to do that for you, no problem. But you should have an invoice for every transaction. Then you need to have a receipt. So everybody needs to get a receipt. So any transaction that is done, make sure that the person, whoever, promoter, company, whatever, gets a receipt of payment when you receive the payment. The next very important thing. Also, the next thing that you should do, that if you transacting or you're giving money or actually giving people money in their hand, cash in hand, which you should try not to do. If you're doing that though, make sure that everybody sign a cash voucher payment, a receipt. So at least when you give them the money, that they could sign the cash voucher. So you have a copy, they have a copy. So there's no discrepancies on if somebody forget they give the money, because there's so much moving parts, especially in a busy season, that you don't want to have to go back, and you want to make sure that you have everything documented at all times now. So either you have that, you see, and then of course you can email that to everybody as well, right? So the last but not least is emailing. So you want to make sure you email the invoice, you email the receipt, and you email all those things to all parties involved. So if it's you working with an artist, the promoter, manager, whoever, make sure that everybody is CC'd in the email, so there is transparency and nobody would feel like somebody hiding something from somebody. So those things, I would say, especially for carnival season, if you do that, and you have a receipt of every transaction, you'll be in very good stead moving forward, especially for carnival and also just generally, right? So stay tuned for the next video. Click like, share, subscribe.